7 of the world's most mysterious photos that cannot be explained. Pretty much anything can be faked nowadays. I mean, anyone with good photography skills can do it. Anyways, these photos and occurrences are some of the most famous unexplained photos on the internet. I can bet that you've come across some of these creepy pictures at one time or another. While some of these unexplained photos have still yet to be concluded 100% as fake, some have been completely debunked. Check out these creepy pictures below. Let's start. Number 1. Black Knight Satellite Mystery. The Black Knight Satellite conspiracy theory claims that there is a spacecraft in near polar orbit of the Earth that is of extraterrestrial origin, and that NASA is engaged in a cover-up regarding its existence and origin. This conspiracy theory combines several unrelated stories into one narrative. Year 1998 NASA photo is believed by some to show the Black Knight satellite, but NASA has stated that this is likely space debris, specifically a thermal blanket lost during an EVA mission. Number 2. The Phoenix Lights. The Phoenix Lights were a mass UFO sighting which occurred in Phoenix, Arizona, and Sonora, Mexico on Thursday, March 13, 1997. Lights of varying descriptions were reported by thousands of people in a space of about 300 miles, from the Nevada line, through Phoenix, to the edge of Tucson. There were allegedly 2 distinct events involved in the incident: a triangular formation of lights seen to pass over the state, and a series of stationary lights seen in the Phoenix area. The United States Air Force later identified the second group of lights as flares dropped by A-10 Warthog aircraft that were on training exercises at the Barry Goldwater Range in southwest Arizona. Number 3. The Cooper family falling body photo. The story goes that sometime in the 1950s the Cooper family of Texas bought an old house and moved into it. On their first night there, the father took a photo of mom and grandma posing with the 2 kids at the dining room table. Everyone was happy and smiling. They were living the American dream. But when the photo was subsequently developed, they saw, to their horror, that what looked like a body falling or hanging from the ceiling had materialized behind them. Is any part of this story true? No. It's pure fiction, but it's recently become attached to this creepy photo, which has circulated widely online. Number 4. The Battle of Los Angeles, 1942. A photo published in the Los Angeles Times on February 26, 1942 has been cited by modern-day conspiracy theorists and ufologists as evidence of an extraterrestrial. They assert that the photo clearly shows searchlights focused on an alien spaceship. However, the photo was heavily modified by photo retouching prior to publication, a routine practice in graphic arts of the time intended to improve contrast in black and white photos. Number 5. Hessdalen lights. Unusual lights have been reported here since 1940s or earlier. Especially high activity of Hessdalen lights took place from December 1981 until the summer of 1984, when lights were observed 15 to 20 times per week. The frequency of the lights caused a gathering of numerous tourists staying there overnight to see the phenomenon. Since then, the activity has decreased, and now the lights are observed some 10 to 20 times per year. The Hessdalen light most often is a bright, white or yellow light of unknown origin standing or floating above the ground level. Sometimes the light can be seen for more than 1 hour. There are several other types of unexplained lights observed in the Hessdalen Valley. Scientists have had many theories on this, but the lights still remained unexplained to this day. Some experts think some sort of plasma causes the light when a gas ionizes to form a cloud of ions and electrons. Number 6. The Skunk Ape. In 2000, 2 photographs said to be of the skunk ape were taken by an anonymous woman and mailed to the Sarasota County, Florida, Sheriff's Department. The photographs were accompanied by a letter from the woman, in which she claims to have photographed an ape in her backyard. Most skeptics believe it's nothing other than a black bear. Finally, Number 7. The Madonna with St. Giovannino and a UFO. Madonna with St. Giovannino is a 15th century painting at the center of a debate that has been going on for decades. Ancient alien theorists believe there is clearly a UFO in the background sky. Other historical paintings also depict strange objects in the sky, and this, say alien theorists, supports the argument that aliens have been coming to our planet and interacting with humans for millennia. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe to join us on the true story. We will bring you many more incredible videos in the world. Thanks for watching.